In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete incognito history permanently on Android. This process is essential for maintaining your privacy and ensuring that your browsing habits remain confidential. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Chrome app or the browser you used for incognito mode. On your Android device, this is typically done by locating the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. As the app loads, you may notice the familiar Chrome interface. Opening the correct browser is crucial because the following steps will be specific to that application. If you used a different browser for incognito mode, make sure to open that one instead. This initial step ensures you are in the right environment to manage your browsing data effectively. Next, tap the address bar at the very top of the screen. The address bar is where you usually enter web addresses or search terms. By tapping on it, you activate the bar, allowing you to input a specific command needed in the next step. This action highlights your current browsing session and prepares the browser to accept the internal URL you will soon enter. It's a straightforward move, but it sets the stage for the privacy measures that follow. Now type in the following internal URL exactly and press enter. Chrome/voice-net internal/#DNS. This command directs you to Chrome's internal network tools, specifically the DNS section. Entering this URL is crucial because it allows you to access and manage network-related configurations. You will see a new screen load, filled with various settings and tools. This is an important step because it gives you access to features that help clear out any cached data from your incognito sessions. A utility menu will appear on screen. Look for the button labeled Clear Host Cache. This menu contains several options related to network performance and cache management. Finding the Clear Host Cache button is vital as this action will specifically address DNS caching issues that can retain information from your incognito browsing. Once you locate this button, you are one step closer to ensuring your history is permanently deleted. Tap Clear Host Cache once. After you tap this button, you will likely see a brief confirmation or notification indicating that the cache has been cleared. This action is significant because it directly removes any stored DNS information that could potentially link to your browsing activities. Ensuring that this cache is cleared is a key step in protecting your privacy. To ensure all temporary background logs are wiped out completely, clear the app's system memory. This step further enhances your privacy by removing any stored data that might not be covered by the previous actions. Clearing system memory ensures that no residual information remains that could hint at your browsing activity. It's an important layer of security, reinforcing your efforts to keep your online actions private. Open your Android phone settings app. This is typically found on your home screen or in the apps drawer as well. By accessing the settings, you can manage various aspects of your device, including app data. This step is necessary to navigate to the area where you can clear the cache for the browser you have been using. It's a simple but effective action that leads you to the next level of privacy management. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, then tap See All Apps. This menu will provide you with a complete list of all applications installed on your device. Finding the correct section is important because it leads you to the specific application whose data you want to manage. This step matters because it ensures you are targeting the right app for cache clearing, maximizing the effectiveness of your privacy measures. Find and tap Chrome or your specific browser. In this menu, you will see the list of apps, and you'll want to select the browser you use for incognito mode. Tapping on the browser opens its specific settings, allowing you to manage its storage. Choosing the correct app is vital because each browser has its own data storage, and you want to focus on the one that holds your browsing history. Tap Storage and Cache. This section will show you information about how much storage the app is using and provide options to clear data. Here you can manage the storage allocated to the browser, which is essential for freeing up space and ensuring privacy. It's a straightforward step, but it's necessary to access the next option. Finally, tap Clear Cache to remove all temporary hidden system records. This action will delete any cached data that the browser has collected, including records from your incognito sessions. Clearing the cache is an effective way to ensure that no traces of your online activity linger on your device. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your browsing history is now permanently deleted. With these steps completed, you have successfully deleted your incognito history permanently on Android. This method not only enhances your privacy but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your browsing habits are secure. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow these steps whenever you want to maintain your online privacy effectively.